Yes, good morning children. Yes, we already started next lesson, third lesson, isn't it? What is the third lesson children? How many squares? How many squares, isn't it? And we already learned about that squares and the rectangles. How many sides have a square? How many sides have a rectangle? And what are the special feature of the squares and rectangle? Isn't it? Square means how many sides for the square children? Four-sided figure, isn't it? That square is a four-sided figure. Then rectangle is also a four-sided figure. And square has four sides, so that four sides are equal, isn't it? All sides are equal. But in the case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Not four sides are equal. That four sides are equal, that figure is square. And rectangle means that is four-sided, but opposite sides are equal, isn't it? And you know which one is the length and breadth also, you know, isn't it? If this one is the rectangle and here these two sides are length and these two opposite sides are breadth. Breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Breadth, what is the spelling of breadth children? B-R-E-A-D-T-H. And length, L-E-N-G-T-H. Okay, this side is length and this one is breadth. Okay, then next, how many squares? Take your textbook children, and here you can see one square rectangle, one big rectangle. You can see from that rectangle we are already here also you can see one rectangle, one box like this one is a rectangle shape. From this rectangle, how many squares you can make it? How many squares you can make it from that rectangle? Look at children, this one is the one square. Yes, look here, square, and this one is the another square. Then how many squares you can see from this rectangle? You can see here. Yes, listen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, one more needed. Yes, okay, one more needed. I have no space here, that's why I did like this. Yes, 15. Look at children, in the textbook you can see 15 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 this side, and this side you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 15, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 into 6. Then how many squares you can see in this rectangle? Yes, look here. 15 from this side and 6 from this side. Then 15 into 6. What is 15 into 6 children? 90. You can see, or you can make 90 squares in this rectangle. Then you can join these numbers, join these dot children. All of you join these dots, then you will get it 90 squares. 90 squares. And one question here, measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Measure the side of this one is the square. Then you can see that red color square. Then you have to measure what is the length of that square. So you have to take your scale and take the measurement of what is the, yes, look here children, when you take, you have to put it 0 there. And how many, what is the measurement of what is the length of that children? That is 1 centimeter in 4 sides. All sides are equal, isn't it? Square, all sides are equal. Then 4 sides 1 each. 1 centimeter. The length of this square is, each side is 1 centimeter. So how many squares you will get it from here? 90. 90 you will get it here. And measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet that already used in, that is 1 centimeter, isn't it? And draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. You can, how many rectangles you can make it by using 12 squares? 12 squares. Here also 90 squares already here. And how can you make rectangles by using 12 such squares? You can see here, children. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is the 12 squares. From that 12 squares you can make a one rectangle. Okay. You can make one rectangle here. Okay. Then another one, and you can, yes, one is that. Then another one you can make it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to here. 12. This one is another rectangle by use of 12 squares. Already here also 12 squares, isn't it? That is another one. And likewise you can here also 12, 12, 12, 12. Then you can, how many rectangles you can make it from this square grid, children? By use of 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares, 7 rectangles you can get it. You will get it from this rectangle by use of 12 squares. Then how many squares that is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares already remaining, because that is 90, isn't it? 90 squares already there. And we will get it 7 rectangles by 12 squares. You will get it 7 rectangles of by using 12 squares. Then 7 into 12, that is 84, isn't it? 90 minus 84, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares already remaining. Okay. Then so how many, the question, how many rectangles could you make? How many rectangles could you make, children? 7. Then you can write it the 7 rectangles that you have to do it in the textbook. Okay. Yes, the next one. Each rectangle, yes, here is one. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So all have the same area. But the length of the boundary will be different. So we have to study about the boundary and area. What is boundary? What is perimeter? Yes, area is the same, but the boundary will be different. Here, look here. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. Length of the boundary is called perimeter. Look here. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Length of the boundary is called perimeter. Yes, length of the yes, children, what is perimeter? Length of the boundary is called perimeter. You look here. This one is the square. This one is a square. And perimeter means length of this boundary. Length of this one is the square. And in this square, the boundary of this square is this one, isn't it? Boundary of this square is, this one is the boundary. That boundary of the square is the perimeter of the square. Perimeter. That is, the boundary of this square is perimeter. Okay. That is square. And in the case of rectangle, this one is the rectangle. And what is the perimeter of the rectangle, children? This four sides. This one is this boundary is the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. This four sides, this length of the boundary. What is the length of the boundary? That is the perimeter of the figure. Okay. Then look here. What is the perimeter of square? This one is the square. The perimeter of square is equal to children? How many sides for a square? 4 sides, and that 4 sides are equal, isn't it? That 4 sides are equal, so perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. And what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle. Look here, perimeter of rectangle, that is two opposite sides are equal. Here 4 sides are equal, but here two opposite sides are equal. Then 2 length and 2 breadth, isn't it? 2 length and 2 breadth, that is different. And 2 into, because 2 means that is 2 length and 2 breadth, 2 into length plus breadth. 2 means 2 sides, so this L. L means how many L's here? 1, 2. 2L. Then how many breadth? 2. 2B. 2L and 2B. 2 into L plus B. Okay, then length plus L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. B-R-E-A-D-T-H. B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Breadth. Okay. Then these are the perimeter of the square and rectangle. What is the perimeter, children? Perimeter means length of the boundary is called perimeter. What is perimeter? Length of boundary. Length of boundary, that is perimeter. In rectangle, this length of the boundary is the perimeter. And how is finding the perimeter of the shades? The perimeter of square, that is 4 sides are equal, so 4 into side. 4 into side. If this one is 2 centimeter, then 2 centimeter means these 4 sides are 2, that is 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeter square. Okay. And here, if this side is 4, and here also 4, and this one 2, this one 2, then 2 into L plus B means 2 into L 4 plus B 2. 2 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6. 2 into 6, that is 12. Okay. Then these are the perimeter of the square and rectangle. Okay. Everyone going to study this. What is perimeter and what is the, how is finding the perimeter? What is the formula of perimeter of square? That is 4 into side. And here rectangle 2 into L plus B. Everyone want to study it. Okay. Okay children. Bye. We can stop it. Bye.